Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can use Monday.com for marketing. I'm going to show you various templates, how you can combine them, and what you can actually achieve with Monday.com. If you can have any questions regards Monday.com, what you want to do with it, ask me down below in the comments, and I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance if I know how to do that. So first thing first, what you want to do is when you're going to have the Monday.com account, click add here and choose from template under the new dashboard. When you have it, you want to click here on work management and marketing. And here it is. You have multiple options of what you can do and what you can use. So you have option to have marketing team planning, simple marketing project. This is what I'm going to show you, the single marketing project. Then also Monday Marketer. And I'm going to show you the combination about Monday Marketer and also the single marketing project. But as you can see, you're going to have like a lot of Monday.com templates for marketing here. Content planning. So let's say that in this video, we are going to combine content planning, marketing strategy, and then we are going to for single marketing project. So let's go with single marketing project, what we can actually find here and how we can use it. I'm going to show you the basics, and when you're gonna hold the basics, you just need to step by step make it more and more effective. That's how it works, and that's how you're gonna do it. So here it is, single marketing project. What we can actually find here. We can see the planning, design, content, channels, down tasks. These are the groups. This is already separated like okay. So what we can find in the columns. When we have the planning here, we can see the owner, the status, the due date, the priority, and asset files. Then we can have for design, for the content, for the channels, like where it's going to out, and done tasks. Now, what you can do is to simply click plus here and add, let's say you want to do a time tracking for every single planning. You want to click plus here and again add files uploaded for everything. You can have it. So this is a really good one, single marketing project template that I like. Then you can also switch between views on the top, between the main table, the Gantt view, actually what is happening here. Then Kanban view, this is really effective. So I'm going to explain to you a little bit the Kanban view. Now on the Kanban view, this is already divided by groups. On the right bottom side, you can disable the groups and you would have everything like this. And it's really not that easy to manage in. So I'm going to click again, divide by groups. I'm going to disable owner sub items due date if you want to. And like this is how you can do it. So right now you see that, okay, we have the planning, we have the design. And what you can do is to change also the status, right? So look at this, planning, design, content. On the right side, I changed the status. I hope I'm not going like too fast. So you can have like planning status and then just like use it on a Kanban view and like be more effective. So that's what you can do, and that's how it works. So working on it to done, to stack, to empty, design, again done, stack, empty, and real like play around it. Now, of course, you can go also to status chart and see the columns here. Team workload. Like if you can have like assign it to multiple people, you would find it here like how many tasks you want to actually add to a person, and files that you would upload. So that's how the marketing project works. This is just like the basic one that you can play around with. The second one that I want to show you is when you would choose from templates, and let's go for marketing. And let's say this is going to be marketing strategy. And let's see. Here, marketing strategy, I'm going to have the quarters. So what is for every single quarter my goals. So let's say for quarter one, I'm going to let's say create a YouTube channel. And what is the goal here? And I can create a new label. Brainstorming. This is a file, priority, type, timeline, and budget for the Q1. So this is the marketing strategy. And then you see also the budget here on the right side. And also I want to show you how you can easily add the budgeting. So what you want to do is just simply add a column, and you want to add numbers, add to board, and you can simply then like rename this to budget number 2, and then add a price here. See? And then on the sum, you change the unit. So this is pretty much it how we do it, and this is how effective it is. Now when you go even further, what we can do next? The next thing what we can do is to add a new template, and you can simply switch between the templates if you want to. You can even add them under one board, and that's what you can do. So I can come here and click on content planning, and I can use it as a template. And here I can have this month, next month, new content. So this month, what is happening? So let's say this month would be a YouTube video, and I have a status as a proof briefing, pending review, published. So working on it. Content, if it's a website, post, article, blog. So let's say I'm going to even edit the labels and add here YouTube video. Apply, click here. When it's going to be published day, I can add a brief here, like right here. A link to content with the web address and text to display. I can have a time tracking, like how much time I'm going to spend on it. You can even add a sub item. So let's say you're gonna have like the blog here or YouTube video. I can add like, okay, what is the YouTube thumbnail here? What is not the thumbnail, but also the YouTube description here. Description. So this is this month, what needs to be done. Then you're gonna have like the next month, and also the new content that you want to create for the future. Then you're gonna find the content planning calendar that you can edit right here. So if you're gonna have it for month to month, you would find it here. Kanban here also really effective. So let's say you're gonna have it by status, and you see that, okay, these are empties, and I'm going to work on it, and done. The workload, again, this is for that if you're gonna have like assign it with multiple people, you can have and edit how many of the tasks you want to give them. Measure effort by, count items, so you can have per week, I don't know, 5 blocks for them to write. So here you can have that. Content assets, these are like the files. The content dashboard, you will have everything here that you need. My tasks, that's pretty straightforward. So what you need to do. Now content request form. So let's say I'm going to have the owner here, myself. If I'm going to create my tasks, I can see what needs to be done. And this is really effective to do, to have it right here. And that's how you can use the marketing for Monday.com. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, maybe I went really fast with this, let me down below in the comments if I went too fast, because for me it's really like easy to understand, and this is just for you to introduction what you can do with Monday.com as for marketing. I hope it provided you value. I hope we are going to have a great day, and yeah, see ya. This was a Monday.com for marketing. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.